Hi guys, I'm Ashif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this fire in UE5 Niagara. So I didn't use any fire texture for this. It's just a noise texture that I use for material and a radial. So let's start this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment. So as you can see that, and this is the whole scene how it looks like. So let me just, because I just as a R&D I created this, so I even didn't create the names of that. So let me just create a new folder. and and don't worry, I will create that from scratch again. It's not, I'll just break down my effect. So I have lots of effects. So here's my fire folder. I'll just move these here. Okay, so I have that effect here. Okay, so I'll put that on my Patreon, this original one, and then I'll create this again. So a new folder, test, and in this folder, I'll create a material.